Okay, so these are my old pedals and it doesn't have any grips and I'm not satisfied with these pedals. Also, it got so many scratch. Let's change the pedals and replace good looking flat pedals. Now let's take off the old pedal. And here's our new flat pedal, so let's replace it in exact position. Okay, our right pedal is done. Now let's do the same thing with the left pedal. Here is our new flat pedal and it looks so good on my bike. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.